Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, and today we are going to see the solar collectors, and later we are going to see the classification of the solar collectors. So first, solar collector is a device designed to absorb incident solar radiation and to transfer the energy to a fluid passing in contact with it. Okay, normally it's a collector which collects the radiations of the sun and it transfers that radiation to the fluid which is passing inside it. Okay, so this utilization of solar energy requires solar collector. Okay, there are generally many types, but the flat plate collector and the concentrating, which is also called as focusing collectors, are the major two types of collectors which we use in our day-to-day life. So solar collector may be classified according to their collection characters, the way in which they are mounted, and the type of the transfer fluid they employ. Okay, these are the basic things when we consider when we use for a when we look for a classification of various collectors. Okay, collecting characteristics. Okay, a non concentrating or flat plate collectors uh, is one in which the absorbing surface for solar radiation is essential flat with no means for concentrating the incoming solar radiation. Okay, actually most of the flat plate collectors are known as non-concentric collectors. A concentric or focusing collector is one which uh, usually so, a concentrating or focusing collector is one which usually contains reflectors or employs other optical means to concentrate the energy falling on the aperture onto a heat exchange of surface area smaller than the aperture. Okay, this is what solar concentric collectors do. Okay, then the mounting. Okay, when we look at the solar collectors, mounting plays a major role. The collectors may be mounted to remain stationary. So when it comes to concentrated collectors, it was mounted stationary, um, and adjustable as to tilt angle. Okay, for measure from the horizontal to follow the change in solar declination, or be designed to track the sun. Okay, tracking is done by employing either an equatorial mounting or an um, other sort of any driver mechanisms. Okay, for this purpose of increasing the absorption of the daily solar radiation. Okay, this is what solar collectors and how it is mounted. Okay, the type of fluid used in solar collector. A collector will usually use either a liquid or a gas. Okay, as the transfer fluid. So inside a collector, when they transfer the fluid, they use either a gas or any fluid substance. The most common liquids are which we use in the collectors are water or water ethylene glycol solution. Okay, the most used gas form in the solar collector is air. Okay, so now we have seen what a solar collector is and what is concentrated collectors, and flat plate collectors is also a concentrated collector, and the characteristics of solar collectors, and the mounting placed in solar collectors, and the type of fluid in which water is majorly used in a liquid form and air is used in the gaseous form. So this is the overall view of the solar collector. So next, see, here it's clearly defined that solar energy is converted into thermal energy using a specific kind of heat exchange known as solar collector. Okay, so the solar collector transfers solar radiation into heat and transfer the heat to a medium which may be in a water or solar fluid or air. As solar heat can be used for heating water relatively high speed, which can vary from 90 to 150 degree. Thank you.